making Windows look like Mac OS. You like the way a Mac looks, but you're not about to buy one. Fair enough. With 3 free tools you can get remarkably close, and you keep everything Windows does well. Start with the dock. A program like Rocket Dock or the more modern My Dock Finder gives you that magnifying bar along the bottom edge. Move your Windows taskbar to the top of the screen, shrink it, and it starts to read like a Mac menu bar. Next, the theme. Applications such as window blinds or free open source theme packs replace window borders, buttons, and title bars with rounded Mac OS style equivalents. Then swap your cursor set and folder icons to match. Finally, set a genuine Mac OS style wallpaper, because half the impression is just the background. One word of caution: tools that patch system files can break after a Windows update, so create a restore point before you begin and keep your expectations reasonable.